Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nurul Fiqriah. Here I will explain the material about hexagon. Alright. Hexagon. A definition of hexagon. Of course, you've seen the shape of the hexagon, haven't you? A hexagon has as many as 6 sides, together with the 6 vertices, which are equivalent to 120 degrees. This shape also has both line symmetry and rotary symmetry. You can see the picture. The hexagon has 6 sides. Next, B. The nature of hexagon. Similar to other shapes, hexagon also have some special property that only this shape has. 1. A hexagon has 6 vertices and 6 sides, which are all the same length. 2. The hexagon has equal angles and 9 diagonal lines. 3. The hexagon has 6 rotational symmetries as well as 6 fold symmetries. Next, folding symmetry and rotation hexagon symmetry. The hexagon shape has 6 fold symmetry and 6 rotation symmetry. Fold symmetry is the number of folds that make a shape split into 2 equal parts and the fold cover each other appropriately. We call the fold lines on the shape. We call the axis of symmetry. Rotation symmetry is the number of turns that can be done on a flat shape where the result of the rotation will form the same parent before rotation, but the position of the counter point is different. Rotation can be clockwise. It can also be counterclockwise. Next, note the regular hexagon A, B, C, D, E, F in the appendix. You can see the picture. A regular hexagon has 6 fold symmetries. That is, each axis of symmetry is 1 from point B to point E. Two from point A to point D. 3 from point F to point C. 4 from midpoint AB to midpoint AD. 5 from the midpoint of BC to the midpoint FA. 6 from the AF center point to the center point CD. Next, a regular hexagon has 6 rotational symmetries. That is, if you rotational it counterclockwise for 16, you get a hexagon. 1. F A B C D E. 2. A F E 2 E F A B C D. 3. D E F A B C. 4. C D E F A B. 5. B C D E F A. 6. A B C D E F. Next, see formula for area of hexagon. 1. Formula for area of hexagon, where the formula for the area of the hexagon is area 2.598 times side squared, or area 2/3 the root of 3 times side squared, while the formula for the perimeter of the hexagon is around 6 times side. Next, the flat hexagon is divided into two types, namely regular hexagon and irregular hexagon. A regular hexagon is a hexagon with 6 equal sides and 6 equal angles. You can see the picture. Regular hexagons shape A and irregular hexagons shape B. Meanwhile, an irregular hexagon is a hexagon with at least 2 sides that are not the same length as the other side, so the angles are not the same size. Next, D. Problem example. Here I have also prepared example of questions that can be asked to hone the abilities study components. An example of this question can be asked as a reference whether a friend has understand the material we are reviewing at this time or not. The sample problem below will be divided into two categories, namely the example problem for the area of the hexagon and the example for the perimeter of the hexagon. Next, example of area of hexagon. If you learn to have a hexagon with a side length of 12 cm, let's together find the broad value of the hexagon that our learning friends have. Answer. You know that side 12 cm. Then the area is area 2.598 times side squared. So area 2.598 times 12 times 12. Area 374.112 centimeter squared. So then it can be seen if the area of the hexagon is 374.112 centimeter squared. The second example of the area of a hexagon. If there is a hexagon that has a side length of 21 centimeter, try to calculate the area of the hexagon. Answer: you know side 21 centimeter. Then the area is area 2.598 times side squared. So 2.598 times 21 times 21 area. So 2.598 times 21 times 21 1145.718 centimeter squared. From here you can state that the area of the hexagon that we calculate above 1145.718 centimeter squared. Next, example of the perimeter of a hexagon. If you find a hexagon that has a side length of 50 centimeter, then try to calculate what the circumference of the hexagon is. Answer: you know that side 50 centimeter. Then the circumference is around 6 times side. So 6 times 50. So around 6 times 50, 300 centimeter. So it can be determined if the perimeter of the hexagon is 300 centimeter. Second example of perimeter of a hexagon. If you know that there is a hexagon with side 14 centimeters, then calculate the perimeter of the hexagon. Answer: you know that side 14 centimeters, then the circumference is around 6 times side. So around 6 times 14. Around 6 times 14 is 84 centimeter. From the calculate above, you can say if the perimeter of the hexagon is 84 centimeter. That's what I had to say, more than the luck. Please forgive. Billahi fisabilil haq fastabiqul khairat. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.